Welcome to Introduction to Homework. In this video, you will learn how to assign specific activities to students as homework in a unique learning system. Students can then use their student logins at home to complete homework. Assigning homework via a unique learning system allows you to establish a strong school-to-home connection, provide consistent support in both the school and home settings, better individualize practice based on student need, and increase data integrity by separating data collected during school hours from data collected after school hours. Once you have entered your schedule and set up classroom and/or individual student My Plans, homework is accessible from your teacher dashboard. Click the icon to enter the homework page. The homework page shows all of the grade bands you have access to. In order to begin assigning homework, you first need to set a start time. You can set a different start time manually each day, or you can set a default start time. To set a default start time, enter the Settings menu and then select a time. When the homework start time is reached, lesson and course activities from the day will no longer be available in Student View. Instead, Student View will show only the activities assigned as homework. Homework start times are applied at the classroom level, so choose the start time that works for all students in your class. If you set a default start time, it will now be auto-populated as the start time each day. You can override this start time by adjusting the start time manually on specific days as needed. To assign resources, choose a grade band and then select the Add Homework link for that grade band. Then choose the type of resource you would like to add. Both lesson activities and library books can be assigned as homework. Additionally, science and social studies courses can be assigned in intermediate, middle, and high school grade bands. Browse or use the search feature to locate resources. Make a selection and then choose your scoring preference. By default, homework will score as a continuation, meaning any work students completed during the day will appear when they open the resource, and additional work will be applied to the same attempt. You can also choose to have homework score as a new attempt. Scoring as a new attempt provides the student with a clean version of the activity and creates a new attempt record in student daily performance. Once you have chosen a resource, select to whom the resource should be assigned as homework. You can assign resources to the entire class or to one or more individual students. Resources can only be assigned to students whose grade band matches the grade band of the resource. Make your selections and then select Save. Repeat for each resource you would like to assign as homework. Homework can be assigned to the current day as well as any future date. You can also view homework that was assigned in the past. Past dates will show you the resources and to whom they were assigned. For performance data, visit the Daily Scores and Observations area or the Lesson area of Reports. Homework can also be reassigned from your My Plan using the Reassign feature. To reassign an activity you worked on during class time as homework, simply click the Reassign button and select Reassign as homework. Make your selections and then Save. If a resource has already been assigned as homework via the homework page, the fields will be pre-populated with the information you entered from the homework page. Any adjustments made to the fields from your My Plan will update the assignment. To reassign a linked event, first unlink the event, then reassign. Once homework time has been reached, students who log into Student View will see only the homework that has been assigned to them. If no homework has been assigned, they will see the message, "No homework assigned." Students will continue to have access to library books assigned via the Configure Student View area during homework time. To ensure data is captured correctly during homework time, encourage students and parents to exit activities by clicking on the left nav menu and then selecting Home. Data for activities completed as homework is visible from the Daily Scores and Observations area. Use the timestamp to identify a score as one completed during homework time. Additionally, homework can be included in or filtered out of lesson performance reports. For additional support with homework in ULS, visit our knowledge base or contact our customer support team.